Hello everybody, I'm gonna be playing Woot Bee Simulator. You guessed it, whoever guessed it, huh? Okay, let's start going. Oh, go mind this. Need to clean my hive. Oh, I know I'm not the real queen bee, but I think I'm a queen. What I need to do? Collect white handle in my white pollen. Let's collect some white pollen. Oh, what is that over there? I wonder what this is. Tell me what this is, you guys, because I don't know what that is. Tell me. Because I need to know. Okay. First, oh my god, CP is level 5. Okay, let's start getting some honeys. The tiny line. Let's start getting some. Should I maybe still the work kind, like, look at them. I'm getting more pollen than people. I think I should be mating at this. Kind of like people like hurry something up. Be all the work. I'm just gonna do all the work. I'm sitting here like a potato. Like a potato. Oh, what should I do? What should I do? Oh, poop, my legs. I'm gonna keep on collecting pollen until I make this quest. I want that diamond egg. The black bear said he will give it to me. And if he lied, he will dynamite. Dynamite. Okay, I'll be singing, being Spider-Man. What is this over here? What's this? Nope, I'm not talking. I'm going over here to my beehive. Oh, I must make some honey. Let's see. Make me honey. Make me honey or I will lose that skip. Bee, excuse me. Like, oh, my red bee? Oh, my red bee's getting hot, dudes. Hi, Selena. Hi, S. Me. Let's go. Okay, I might be ending it off here, and I'll make episode 2, and I'm also going to be working on getting a Royal High video uploaded, so bye!